What's up guys, we're back with another video for you guys today. Today is a private track rental for Team NPR Motorsports. So there's going to be a lot of crazy builds and some of West Coast's baddest Hellcats. It should be exciting. We're going to be recording some racing going on and just a lot of cool content and some crazy builds. But unfortunately I'm not racing yet and I still haven't tested the new setup. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and give this video a like. And stay tuned. I am going to be more active on YouTube. At least I'm going to try to push one video a week. Not like back in the days where I used to do every 3 or 6 months a video. So please subscribe and let's get to the track right now. I'm going to move my charger out of the way, get in the Hellcat and take it to the track. So stay tuned. All right, here we go. We're kind of late. We just missed some content. Let's catch up with everybody. What's up, Walter? What's up? That's the fast guy right here. Probably the fastest in the team, or second fastest. What's up, Fred? 2600. What's up, man? I'm gonna do it right now. All right, let me show you guys all the builds. So from Team NPR, here we got Freddie. This guy doesn't have an Instagram. This is probably the fastest or second fastest car in the team. I mean, you can argue about that, but it's a big boy for sure. 4.9 Kenny Bell. Already ran a 5.8 testing off the trailer. Built motor, nitrous. This is the big boy right here. And then over here we have Walter Hellcat 562's red Charger. Built motor. Fast for sure. Testing out today. This car is gonna be fast. And we got John Mascat. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Car looking good, man.
Thank you, man.
You racing today?
Yeah.
About to put the wheels on?
Yes, sir.
Nice, nice. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
How you doing? Good, good. Back with the Hellcat, huh?
SXT.
SXT, yeah, SXT. It's just an SXT, guys. Right on, man. Excited to see you race.
Thanks, you too.
You got it, brother. Oh, I'm not racing today.
Oh, I saw your car.
Yeah, but I don't have my wheels yet.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. Cool. So most of these cars that you're gonna see are built by NPR Motorsports. This one is not. This is actually an SXT, believe it or not, with a Hellcat swap. Crazy ass build, and it's fast too. This is Rudy's car, employee of NPR Motorsports. It's a Magnum with a Hemi. This is Rob Palm right here. Probably the fastest guy in the team. The fastest guy in the team right here, man. Right? Not that green one, right?
No, he's slow. That dude's slow.
Yeah, like that dude's. Yeah, I know. I saw that. I heard. I know. This car is not here. It's getting worked on. This is actually Freddie's Red Eye. It's a brand new 2020 Red Eye Charger. In the, I forgot what this color is called. Smoke Show, I believe. Look at that thing right here. Brand spanking new. Just got it. With the, I think it's called Demonic Red interior or something like that. Beautiful car. And then over here we had the big boy Jesse right here. Believe it or not, this is a stock engine Hellcat right here. It's a fast car for sure. 15-inch conversion, of course. Most of them are 15-inch conversion. 4.9 liter Kenny Bell. Woo! Excited to see this car run today. And then this is right here, the shop's car. NPR Motorsports on build. 2010 SRT8 Charger or 2006. It's on tires, of course. Built motor. Big turbo. Forgot what size it is, but I will show you guys. Now that's what I'm talking about. John, this guy is racing the Jeep today. Jesse, good to see you, brother. Excited to see you race. Have you ran today?
Yeah, a couple times.
Yeah? Any good times or?
Yeah, I'm still starting off.
Okay.
I don't want to race on the road.
Okay,
But
cool.
he wants to run. So.
All right, cool. And then we got Tatiana, lady driven, tuned by NPR Motorsports. It is on a small upper pulley, so it's making some decent power. Roll cage, NHRA certified, 15-inch conversion. Beautiful car. Fast lady. This is a lady you don't want to race. All right, what else we got here? Oh, this is NPR Motorsports' own car. They've had this car since it was brand new, I believe. This is the car they started with, beating Hellcats. Yeah, it's just a 2006 Charger Daytona, making some good power, beats stock Hellcat. John's big boy truck right here. He's always towing Hellcats with this thing. All right, we'll be back in a bit to record a little bit more, and then we'll record some runs. That's the man himself, Lonnie, tuner. Over here we have Bill Sharing's 2010 Challenger SRT8 with a cannon bell on it. Big boy cannon bell right here. What's up, Bill?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, man.
Good.
Good to see you, brother. Have you run yet?
I made one run, but I started off in second gear.
Oh, okay. How did it go?
Didn't do anything.
Didn't do any good? All right. You gonna try first gear or what?
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
Hey, could you
What's up? Give me.
hook that up?
Yeah, I got you. That's the NHRA life.
Yeah. Here.
Yep. Over here we have Jesse with a 2019 Scat Pack. Full drag pack tires. This is a nitrous E85 Scat Pack. Let's see what she runs today. Alright, we got the Scat Pack with the nitrous. At 95 miles an hour. Wow. Hot stock Hellcat territory right there. We have another NPR Hellcat stick shift with a 4.9 liter Kenny Bell built motor. But this is a stick shift car. Let's see how she does. I'm gonna assume it's gonna be a tough one right here.
Nice, easy pass.
Nice.
Well, at least he in the front.
Nice. 711 at 100 miles an hour. Beautiful for a stick shift. Can't beat that. All right, we got an NPR's own car over here about to test. It's a built 6.1. At 91 miles an hour. We got another serious car here. This is Bill Dantico's car. Built motor, candy built car. Roll cage, full weight, 15-inch conversion. This is a serious build right here, but it's turned down right now. He's learning the car, but it's fast for sure. Nice trailer. This thing right here, fast boy. Running 5.8 with boost only, no nitrous yet. No nitrous yet. We might hit nitrous today and see what she'll do. 5.8 at 122 miles an hour on boost only. So let's see what she'll do. Get the ice box. I'll try to get the video. Wow, the stick shift car just ran a 697 at 103 miles an hour. That's impressive. Out here with the big boy again. See if we can beat that time. Nice. 5.8 122 miles an hour on boost only. Let's go. Look at that. The Champ, fastest Hellcat in California. Got the Jeep going up for a race. Let's see what she'll do. Holy.
6-0.
Let's go. Yeah! Woo! Let's fucking go, baby. 564. 125 fucking miles an hour. Let's go, Matt's Cat 1320. Nice, 642. Let's go. Woo! 110 miles an hour. The winning team. We're not done yet. Still got more to go.
Now you got that.
There we go. Tatiana, lady driven. She getting her NHRA license today. Already ran a 6.0 with just the upper pulley setup. Let's go, Tati. Not bad, not bad. Now she can get her license. There we have a 2011 SXT V6 Challenger with a Hellcat swap and a Hellcat front end. That's it. That's lower too. Charger, stock engine blower. Kennyville Hellcat. Come on, nice, 635 at 113 miles an hour. Hellcat Kennyville, turn down all the way, just learning the car. Let's see what she'll do. Come on, Freddie, act like you know what you're doing, man. There you go. Hey, loosen up your shoes so it comes off. It looks like it's sticky. It's way stickier over there. Go. Again. Alright guys, well, that's pretty much the end of the day. Everybody's wrapping up. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a like and a share to help the channel. So thank you guys for all the love and support, and peace out.